little low now.
Okay.
Coming back. There it is. A little bit to the left. Pull some of that power back out. The nose up to try to slow us down, and we gotta go flaps 30?
Correct.
A little high.
Yeah, so if you're high, you want to adjust that with your power setting. Keep that nose right where it is, pointed down towards the runway. That power coming off will help you sink. That nose pointed down.
There it is.
Now you can bring that power back in a little bit. Nice, into the runway, bring that power to idle, level flight, level flight. It's going to be a little bit of a hard one. Give me some power. We're okay, we're okay. We're okay.
That was rough.
All right.
That was looking good right till the end.
Yep, carpet off.
Off.
Flaps up, and give me that power all the way full.